This is their curved light lac, and this is their and this is their light lac. Oh my gosh, it's such a tongue twister. This is your light Yaki curved. Hey dolls, if you've been hoping for a simple bob unit that won't break the bank, especially to wear in this hot humidity right now, don't worry, your girl got you covered. It's easy, low customization, and most of all, affordable. Stay tuned for all the details. This video is sponsored by OMGqueen, and dolls, these are the items you're going to receive in your box. Now, you're going to get about 4.5 inches of parting space on this unit. There are 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, along with a removable elastic band. Now, this wig does come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, but guys, you already know this is not plucked to my standards, so I'm going to go ahead and pluck it, but I want to show you guys a quick and easy way for plucking your units. And dolls, this is really hard to explain, so just watch what I'm doing and you'll understand it more. As you can see, there are little patches of hair that are darker than others. So as I'm parting, what I want to do is lighten those dark patches to where the hair is forming a uniform kind of like sheer look. Again, it's really hard for me to explain, but just watch what I'm doing. I'm plucking in the areas where the hair is dense and dark, and I'm not plucking in the areas where it's light. And you're going to basically continue this process about 1 inch towards the back, and you want to pluck a little less each time so that you can create this gradient effect. But after you pluck the first time, you want to make sure you try the wig on, see how it looks, and this will help prevent you from over plucking. And guys, don't be afraid to pluck this hair, because a lot of times it looks like you're over plucking, and most of the time it's very deceiving. Okay dolls, so now that I finished plucking the hairline, I'm ready to really apply this wig. You always want to try the wig on after you plucked it, just to make sure that it's plucked to your liking. And I think this is plucked enough to my liking. I'm not gonna over pluck it. One thing, you want to be sure that you don't over pluck your frontals, because frontals, as you wear them, will eventually start losing hair on its own. So you really don't want to give it too much of a head start. You'll be rocking a bald frontal before you know it. So now that I'm finished plucking, it's time for me to cut the lace off of this unit, and I'm gonna just take this off just because I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I mistakenly cut some of my hair cutting a wig on my head, so I'm not doing that no more. I'm going to be using my mannequin head, so let's go ahead and do that. And now I'm ready to cut the lace off this unit. You guys have seen me do this a million times. I'm using my eyebrow razor, and I'm just cutting along the hairline as close as possible without cutting the hair. And last, I decided to run my flat iron over this unit because this is a light Yaki texture, which means there are some crinkles in the hair, and I just used my flat iron to flatten this out and make it look a lot more sleek. Lastly, I applied some of my hair wax on top, and that's going to help me with the flyaways. And I went ahead and bumped this unit on the ends just a little bit. And one thing I do like about this unit is that it's Yaki, but it has a lot of bounce. Okay dolls, now I'm ready to put the wig on. And since this is a glueless unit, I will not be using any glue in this application. It has the adjustable band in the back along with the adjustable straps. So I went ahead and tightened that. And this is adjusted, and I'm ready to put it on. As you can see, this wig is laid, and it's no glue, no gel, no spray, no nothing. This is a truly glueless install. And let me let you guys see how natural this hairline looks. I just lightly plucked it. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit of foundation to the part just to open that up a little bit. this is pretty much all I'm gonna do to this unit. I wanted to keep it simple and beginner friendly, and most importantly, I wanted to keep it glueless. So let me go ahead and give you the specs on this unit. As I mentioned, this wig is sponsored by OMGqueen. This is their side part light Yaki curved unit in 14 inches. And it's called light Yaki. However, I felt that it did have a lot of crinkles. It definitely would need to be straightened, but it did straighten very well, and it has a lot of body, and I'm loving that part about it. Now, I did get this in a longer length in 14 inches because I'm just kind of been feeling the long bobs lately, but you could totally get this in the normal bob length that usually comes like to your chin, and that'll be about 10 inches. This is their 3rd anniversary, and this is their biggest sale yet. You can save from 35 to 40% off of everything on the website. And dolls, I also have an additional 5% coupon code for you to save even more on your purchase. I'll have that on the screen as well as in the description box down below. Now, you gotta act fast if you do wanna get these additional savings, because their sale does end on August 8th. So if you're interested, I'll have all the information in the description box down below. And before we get out of here, I'm gonna need your name. What are we gonna call this one? It's Yaki, it's Bob, it's easy, she's flawless. Go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for that beautiful sew-in type wig that I reviewed last week. And the new name, as well as the person who submitted that comment, will be listed right here. So dolls, if you're not part of the Faithful fam and you're interested in everything hair, makeup, fashion, and all of those sorts, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. We'd love to have you. So as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.